In life, facing rejection can be disheartening. Rejection can be used as a catalyst for personal growth by focusing on self-improvement, maintaining composure, and using it as an opportunity for reflection and self-enhancement. Today, we're not just talking about coping with rejection, we're delving into the profound wisdom of Stoicism, as taught by Marcus Aurelius, to turn every no into a powerful stepping stone. Imagine a reality where every rejection propels you towards greater success. If you've ever felt overlooked, ignored, or undervalued, it's time to embark on a transformative journey. This video delves deep into the art of turning rejection into a stepping stone for personal growth. These 13 powerful lessons draw from Stoic principles, offering practical strategies to apply in daily life. 1. Ignore them. When people don't care about you in real life, do not back down. Get above it. It's not petty to ignore people who ignore you. When faced with indifference, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you is a powerful statement of self-worth. Focus on your goals, happiness, and activities that enrich your life. This isn't about revenge, it's about reclaiming your energy and thriving despite rejection. Remember that the fact that someone can't see your worth doesn't make you less valuable. Be true to who you are and let your actions speak louder than words. 2. Don't react emotionally. It can hurt to be turned down, which can make you want to act out and let your emotions run wild. Instead of letting emotions run wild, adopt a composed, thoughtful response. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our actions and responses, recognizing that self-worth isn't tied to external approval. Mastering calmness is transformative, making you resilient and attractive to others. You learn to value yourself on your own as you work on building your self-confidence. This will show how strong and tough you are by doing that. 3. Remove them from your mind. Developing the skill of detachment can be very helpful when you're being turned down. You shouldn't try to forget or act like the rejection didn't hurt. It's about turning that experience into something that changes things. Recognize that you were turned down and feel how it affects you. But don't let it hold you back like a skilled sailor in rough seas. Do not let the waves flip over your boat. Instead, use them to move you forward. Engage in activities that broaden your horizons, fostering self-discovery and growth. 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection is an opportunity to reveal your grit. Channel the energy from being overlooked into constructive action, showcasing your skills and resilience. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth, it's a redirection to where you're needed more. If you're passed over for a role, maybe it's the universe nudging you towards something that aligns better with your talents and passions. Use this as a catalyst to reassess and realign what are your core strengths. How can you pivot to make the most of them? It's about creating your success story, one where every setback is a setup for a comeback. This isn't about plastering a smile over disappointment. It's about embracing the full spectrum of emotions and then moving forward with grace. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and reactions. When faced with rejection, practice empathy, both for yourself and others. Your value isn't diminished by others' oversight. It's an opportunity to shine brighter. 5. Cut off contact. Silence is more than just not hearing anything. It can really help you when you're feeling down, especially when you've been turned down. Think about being ignored or turned down. Your gut might tell you to fix it. Reach out and close that gap. But this is where you change things. Embrace silence strategically. Instead of reacting emotionally, use silence as a reset button. This isn't about playing games, it's about refocusing on your goals and life. Silence isn't passive, it's an active tool for recalibration and personal growth. 6. Prove them wrong. The art of rejection isn't just about showing other people they're wrong. It's also about showing yourself what you can really do. It has to do with changing. Transform rejection into fuel for growth. Use doubt as an opportunity to surpass your limits. If people think you're not creative, do something that shows how creative you are. If someone calls you uncommitted, let your consistent actions show them what you mean. This quiet revolution of self-improvement isn't a fight against how other people see you. It's a quest for personal excellence. This silent revolution isn't about proving others wrong, but redefining your capabilities. 7. Go out and have fun. Nature reminds us of the larger world beyond our struggles. It offers perspective and peace. Spend time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike, or simply sitting in a garden. Counter rejection by deliberately seeking joy. Engage in activities that bring happiness, connect with your tribe, and step into the unknown. Every new experience is a stepping stone toward resilience and self-discovery. 8. Build your social status. Rejection can be a powerful motivator to push you toward your goals with renewed vigor and clarity. Set a new goal, or revisit an existing one with the fresh perspective gained from the rejection. Use rejection as a catalyst for personal growth. Focus on self-enhancement, community involvement, and meaningful relationships. It's not about climbing a social ladder, but your ladder of self-development. 9. Act as if they don't exist. When faced with someone who ignores you, sometimes the strongest response is a quiet one. Isn't about being cold. It's about respecting your own peace if someone chooses to overlook you. Maintain professionalism and emotional distance in interactions. By keeping conversations brief and business-focused, you're not showing up for them, but for yourself. Choose to invest your energy where it matters. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Choosing silence in the face of indifference is not about seeking an advantage. It's about preserving your dignity. Stoicism instructs us to use silence not as a means of provocation or manipulation, but as a tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery. When someone chooses to ignore you, and your response is silence, allow this moment to be a period of introspection. It's an opportunity to understand your feelings, examine your thoughts, and seek clarity. This is not intended to punish the other person. It aims to preserve your inner peace within this silence. A profound opportunity for personal growth arises. It's not about isolating yourself, it's about opening up to yourself. Stoicism encourages us to use these moments to reflect on our virtues, values, and how we wish to interact with the world. It's an opportunity to question why this affects me, what I can learn from it, how I can evolve. This type of silence is constructive, not destructive. It's a moment to strengthen your character and align your responses with your principles. Therefore, if you choose to remain silent, let it be a conscious choice grounded in self-care and wisdom. It's a decision to avoid behaviors beneath you, such as manipulation, revenge, or pettiness. Instead, it's embracing the Stoic call for temperance and self-control by choosing not to respond. You're not simply ignoring another person, you're attentively listening to. You're not simply ignoring another person. You're attentively listening to yourself. It's a practice to maintain your composure, focus on your personal journey, and embody the Stoic ideal of serenity in the face of adversity. 11. Don't beg for attention. In the face of indifference, the Stoic way isn't to beg for attention. It's a call to anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence when someone ignores you. It's not a cue for you to perform louder for their gaze. Instead, it's an opportunity to turn inward and reaffirm your own value. Reject the temptation to seek fleeting attention. Invest in personal development and build a life independent of external validation. 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Distant even when faced with indifference. Choose to respond with kindness, but keep your emotional world fortified. When someone ignores you, you will feel hurt or frustrated. However, Stoicism teaches us to greet such moments not with emotional turbulence, but with a composed heart. Offer a smile, a polite greeting, or a simple wish for a good day. But do so without the weight of expectations. Your kindness is a gift, not a transaction. Respond with kindness, but maintain emotional distance. It's about protecting your inner peace and embodying Stoic wisdom, a balance of interacting with grace and standing firm in emotional integrity. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. When someone ignores you, the temptation to show your struggles can be overwhelming. However, Stoicism teaches us the art of maintaining our composure. It's not about pretending everything is fine, it's about internal resilience. Displaying that you're unaffected isn't a charade. It's a reflection of true inner stability. Continue with your life with the same vigor and determination as before. By not revealing your struggle, you embody a Stoic philosophy of managing emotions in a way that maintains dignity and self-respect. Together, let's build a community that turns every no into a powerful catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Remember, in the words of Marcus Aurelius, The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice. Go forth with resilience, turn your rejections into stepping stones, and embrace the Stoic path to personal victory. Until next time, stay wise, stay connected, and remember, each rejection is just the universe's way of nudging you towards your true destiny. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Please subscribe. I will see you in next video.